Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki Well with Byron House. I actually about to do a review on this hair. This is Wavy Cuban Gorgeous Locks by Freetress. I think I did this about a week and something ago, not even up to 2 weeks, but I have to take it down, and I wanted to do a review on it before I do take it down. Okay, so now my scalp is very sensitive. And so there's a lot of, synthetic hair that I cannot tolerate, and this is just one of them, okay? Because my head or scalp is on fire. Like, it's itching so bad. I tried to oil it, tried to put stuff on it. I did everything I could. Girls, I just cannot get the itching to stop. Like, I don't want to say I'm allergic to the hair. I just say I'm sensitive to this hair. It needs to go. Like, I cannot, so at night, this is all I do. You know what I mean? I wake up during the day, I'm itching. Ah, my gosh, I cannot do it. So now it has to go. But, it's Locs hair, of course. It doesn't, you have to really take care of it. And here, I have my hair looking a mess. But my hair grows really fast. So it's never really the braid or just, style. My hair itself grows fast, especially when I have it in braids. It's just, yeah. So this is coming down, but the hair itself, I have to tell you, I'm having to, you see how you have all this extra stuff coming out? I'm having to use a scissors and kind of trim them, every day I have to kind of trim. But this just started a few days now. And mind you, let's be honest, that's because sometimes like I told you guys, sometimes I just fall asleep with my hair uncovered. I'm tired, I'm like a night shifter, so I sleep throughout the day when I'm off. I sleep at 6 p.m. Sometimes I'm going to bed at 3 p.m. and then I wake up at 7, or I go to bed at 8 and then wake up at midnight. Okay, so sometimes I just fall asleep without realizing it. So, most of the time I'm sleeping on this hair. Okay, so, and that's one thing. That's another reason why the hair itself will grow old quicker. Or my hair, crochet hair always grows, old quicker. But so I think the hair itself is nice, regardless of all these little things that you constantly have to trim, and you know what I mean. But other than that, it's nice, but it just itches bad. Like, it's itching bad and it needs to come off. Okay, and how I take my crochet out is some of you already know how to take a crochet out, and I just go right to the root, cut it, and pull that out. It's out. I just go to the root and I cut that, and I'm looking at my mirror that way. If you see me look away, that's it. And I go through the root, cut it right there, make sure it's not my cornrow cutting, pull that out, done. So that's my review on this hair. I think the hair is nice, but it's just itching bad and it needs to come off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I just started on YouTube. Well, I started a while ago, but I did one video and then never did anything for 3-4 months. You know what I mean? And then later on came back to it. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.